What is happiness? It's a question that has puzzled philosophers, scientists, and ordinary people for centuries. But one thing is clear: we all want to be happy. We live in a fast-paced, stressful world. But happiness is not something that can be found by chasing after success or material possessions. True happiness comes from within. The art of happiness is about cultivating inner peace, joy, and contentment. It's about finding meaning and purpose in life and living in harmony with ourselves and others. One of the simplest ways to find happiness is by helping others. Research shows that doing kind deeds for others boosts our own happiness levels and improves our overall well-being. Another key to happiness is having strong social connections. Spending time with loved ones, sharing experiences, and creating memories together can bring immense joy and fulfillment. Engaging in activities we're passionate about is also essential for happiness. Whether it's painting, playing music, or practicing yoga, doing something that we love can be incredibly uplifting and energizing. Finally, connecting with nature can also bring us happiness. Being surrounded by the beauty of the natural world can help us feel more grounded, peaceful, and connected to something greater than ourselves. The art of happiness is a journey, not a destination. It's about learning to appreciate the simple things in life, finding joy in the present moment, and living in a way that aligns with our values and beliefs. So, take a deep breath, smile, and enjoy the beauty of life around you.